Good morning to all. Subject electrical machine design. Topic design of field system. EMD subject topic design of field system. Problem 1. Question: 1000 kilowatts 10 volt 500 volts 300 rpm DC compound generator has an external diameter of armature 1.4 meters and gross core length 0.35 meter. Flux per pole is equal to 0.105 Weber. Find out the following details regarding the design of field system. First, axial length of pole. Second, width of pole. Third, height of pole. Fourth, depth of yoke. Continuation of question. Fifth point. Permissible loss per square meter of the cooling surface may be assumed as 700 watts per square meter. Assuming missing data as per the rating and lap binding. Solution. First, axial length of pole. Capital LP is equal to capital L minus bracket 0.01 to 0.015. LP is equal to bracket L minus 0.01 into meter. LP is equal to 0.35 minus 0.01 is equal to 0.34 meter. That is answer. Axial length of pole. Solution. Pole width pi p is equal to CL into pi. CL value we are already given in third class is 1.5 to 1.2. Pi p is equal to CL pi. Pi p is equal to flux in the pole body. CL value 1.5 to 1.2. So pi p is equal to CL into pi 1.15. That is assume pi value into 0.105. Pi p is equal to, we get answer 0.12075. AP area of cross sectional pole is equal to pi p divided by BP. BP is equal to flux density and pole 1.4 to 1.5 Tesla, 1.5 to 1.7 Tesla given in theory classes. AP is equal to 0.12075 divided by 1.5. That is assume AP is equal to 0.0805. That is answer. Solution. AP divided by Ka is equal to 0.0805 divided by 0.95. Ka value I given in theory classes, that is assumed value is equal to, we obtain AP divided by Ka is equal to, Ki is equal to 0.0847. BP is equal to AP divided by Ka divided by LP, that is equal to 0.0847 divided by 0.34. BP value is equal to 0.249 meter. Third solution. Height of pole is equal to ATF is equal to 1.1 to 1.3 ATA non-interpolar machine. Solution. ATF is equal to 0.7 to 1 ATA interpolar machine. ATF is equal to full load field ampere turns per pole. ATA is equal to full load armature ampere turn per pole, where ATA is equal to IA dash Z divided by 2P. IA dash is equal to IA divided by A. IA is equal to IL, regulating field current. ATF is equal to 1.2 ATA. That is ATF is equal to 1.2 ATA. Solution. IL is equal to IA is equal to capacity divided by voltage. 1000 kilowatts divided by 500 is equal to 2000 ampere. Z is from E value. E formula is P pi Z divided by 60A. Assume E is equal to V. We get E is equal to pi Z divided by 60. P and A is cancelled because P is equal to A for component generator. E is equal to P pi Z divided by 60A. A is equal to P for component generator, so A and P cancel. E is equal to pi Z by 60. Assume E equal to V. V is equal to pi Z by 60. Z is equal to 60 into V divided by pi into N. Z is equal to 60 into 500 divided by 0.105 into 300. Z value is 952.38. That is Z value. Answer. Solution. ATA is equal to 2000 into 952.38 divided by 2 into 10. ATA is equal to IA divided by A is equal to IZ divided by 2P. ATA value we find 95238. ATF is equal to 1.2 ATA. 1.2 into 95238 is equal to 114285.6. HF is equal to ATF divided by ATF dash. Solution. ATF dash is equal to 10 power 4 root of SF DF PF is equal to 10 power 4 root of 0.6 into 0.05 into 700. ATF dash is equal to 45825.75. HF is equal to ATF divided by ATF dash. Put required values we obtain. HF is equal to 2.4939. That is answer. Solution HP, height of the pole is equal to HF plus HS plus insulation and curvature of U. HB is equal to HF plus 0.04 to 0.06 meter plus 0.1 to 0.15 tau P. We already given in theory classes. HB is equal to 0.25, assume HF value, plus 0.04 plus 0.1 into pi d divided by P. Put required value, we obtain HB, height of the pole is equal to 0.33 meter. Solution, depth of yoke dy is obtained from this method. First method, fraction yoke pi y is equal to pi p divided by 2. Second, cross-sectional area of yoke ay is equal to pi y divided by by is equal to 1 to 1.3 Tesla. Third, depth of yoke is equal to ay divided by 1.5 L. First, pi y is equal to pi p divided by 2. 0.12075 divided by 2 is equal to 0.06. Solution, second, ay is equal to pi y divided by by is equal to 0.06 divided by 1.2. We assume by is equal to 1.2. Obtain ay is equal to 0.05. Depth of yoke dy is equal to ay divided by 1.5 L. 0.05 divided by 1.5 into 0.34. dy is equal to 0.098. That is answer. Solution, fifth, permissible loss divided by square meter of the cooling surface may be assumed as 700 watts per square meter. We already explained in theory classes, already given theory notes. PF is equal to 700 to 750 watts per meter square. Kindly noted. Thank you. Electrical machine design, EMD, design of field system. Second problem. Questions. A 500 kilowatts 460 volts 375 rpm 8 pole DC generator D is equal to 105 cm, L is equal to 37 cm. Find 1. Axial length of pole, 2nd width of pole, 3rd height of pole, 4th depth of yoke. Hint, assume B average value from calculate pi p. Solution, axial length of pole LP is equal to L minus 0.01 meter. Axial length of pole LP is equal to L minus 0.01 into meter. L is equal to given value 37 centimeter. L is equal to 0.37 meter. LP is equal to 0.37 minus 0.01 is equal to LP is equal to 0.36 meter. Pole width pi p is equal to CL into pi. Assume 1.15 CL value into 0.0915. Pi p is equal to 0.105. B average is equal to P pi divided by pi dl is equal to 0.6 is equal to 8 into pi divided by pi into 105 into 10 power minus 2 into 37 into 10 power minus 2. We have obtained pi value from above equations. Pi is equal to 0.0915. AP is equal to pi p divided by BP. Assume BP value is 1.5. AP is equal to 0.105 divided by 1.5 is equal to 0.07. AP divided by KI. KI factor we assume 0.95. AP divided by KI is equal to 0.0736. Solution, BP is equal to AP divided by KI divided by LP is equal to 0.0736 divided by 0.37. BP value is equal to 0.1989 meter. Third, height of pole is equal to ATF is equal to 1.2 ATA. Given value capacity is equal to 500 kilowatts. ATA is equal to IA by 2P. IA divided by A. Given V is equal to 460. IA is equal to capacity divided by voltage is equal to 500 into 10 power 3 divided by 460. Solution, IA is equal to 1086.96 ampere. E is equal to P pi Z divided by 60A. P and A is cancelled. E is equal to V. V is equal to 0.095 into Z into 375 by 60. We obtained V formula as per in previous first problem. From V formula, Z is equal to 804.37. We obtained Z value. Capital ATA is equal to IA divided by 2P is equal to 1086.96 into 804.37 divided by 2 into 8. ATA value is equal to 54644.88. ATF is equal to 1.2 ATA is equal to 1.2 into 54644.88 is equal to ATF value is equal to 65573.856. HF is equal to ATF divided by ATF dash. First to find ATF dash is equal to 10 4 root of SF DF PF. Solution, ATF dash is equal to 10 power 4 root of 0.6 into 0.05 into 700. We obtain ATF dash value is equal to 4 by 82.75. Now HF is equal to ATF divided by ATF dash. Put required values, we find HF is equal to 1.431. ATA is equal to IA divided by A is equal to 1086.96 divided by 8 is equal to 138.87. Solution. ATA is equal to IA divided by A into Z divided by 2P. IA dash is equal to IA divided by A. ATA is equal to 135.87 into 804.37 divided by 2 into 8, 6830.61. ATF is equal to 1.2 ATA. Put record value of ATF is equal to 8196.73. HF is equal to 8196.73 divided by 45. 825.75 is equal to 0.179. Solution. Height of the pole is equal to HF plus HS plus insulation and curvature of yoke. HP is equal to HF value 0.179, HS value 0.004. Insulation curvature of yoke is 0.1 n to pi d by P. HB is equal to HB. We order HB value, put record value in above formula. We order HB is equal to 0.260 meter. Depth of yoke is equal to pi. We find depth of yoke few steps. Pi y is equal to pi p divided by 2. 0.105 divided by 2 is equal to 0.0525. Solution. AY is equal to pi y divided by by is equal to 0.0525 divided by 1.2 is equal to 0.04375. Depth of yoke is equal to dy is equal to AY divided by 1.5 L. Put record values. We obtain depth of yoke is equal to dy is equal to 0.0788 meter. That is answer. Thank you.